This is the Simmons 841 old style head. Of course, it still does have those internal female threads there for the connection of the pipe. It'll also come with the handle, which looks a lot different on the old style than it does in the new style. And then it also has those straps, the packing nut. We'll go ahead and take a couple measurements of it, starting with the handle. We'll get a total length. So from the longest part of the handle, so right here at the top, to that last bend there, we'll measure right at about 5 inches. And we can also get a total length or height of the head, starting from the bottom of that hex nut here to the top of the head. See, it will measure right at about 5 3/4 inches. And then we can also get an outer and inner diameter here at the hex portion where we'll connect the piping. So the outer diameter will measure right at about 2 inches. And the inside diameter at the threads measuring right at about 1 1/4 inches. Okay, so once again, this is the Simmons 841 old style head assembly.